basang-basa ang dagit, aba'y damang-dama sa'king kalam ng punong-puno ng pananabik at ng kabalalim. Sa'king bawat paghinga nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan. Hahagkanan, di ka bibitawan, wala na akong mahihiling pa. Ikaw at ikaw,
Finally, you're ready!
di maikukumpara. Araw kong dala-dala pa po, litong panalangin ko'y
August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind.
Happy second anniversary. Kaya pala, dapat kahapon so nakalimutan ko.
As I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, baby, I've been
sabi mo, wala man lahat ng bagay na meron ako, parang nandito ka pa rin sa pag-ibig. Salamat sa katatagan na pinakita mo at sa daming pagsubok na dumaan.
Pero nung dumating ka, mas may masaya pa palang karanasan na ilaan mo yun para sa akin. At sa kabutahan ng pagkakala natin, salamat na rin kasi
now it's just the truth. Seems our hearts are fused, solid like the gold your sister brought. And how am I lucky enough to say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you, 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 loving you. And I say, baby, isn't it crazy? We are born
Ang mahalin kita at maging mga anak natin. Pag-amin kaya sa iyo sa harapan ng Panginoon at sa harapan ng mga magulang natin. Hindi gusto mo.
loving August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California.